Hi, welcome back to Gannon's Antiques and Art. You may have seen the previous video on the number of mid-60s amplifier heads that we've got here, all recently serviced. This is a VOX Super Beatle. It came out in 1966. I think this is probably a 1967 based on the serial number. But mainly I want you to see what good condition this all original amplifier is. It is a solid state amplifier. It was the first that they had come out with. They really needed to boost power actually for the Beatles. If you read the history of the Beatles amps and VOX, you'll realize that they kept having to make the amplifiers more and more powerful because of the screaming fans. This was one of the most powerful. It's an 1141 and it's 120 watts, and considering the fact that they had been playing with 30 and 50 watt amps is really pretty amazing in this day and age to think about that. But this is 120 watt RMS, 240 peak at something like 2 ohms or 0.2 ohms. Those of you who are in the market for one of these know perfectly well what this is. They had added super reverb and distortion and stuff like that that you would access with a foot pedal. Every single one of these controls works, and it does not pop, crackle, or hiss. It's been fully gone through. The pots that needed pots were changed. The capacitors that needed changed were changed. This is ready to play. A VOX Super Beatle in original condition, 1967. It's here at Gannon's Antiques and Art, ready for you.